welcome to my channel, and today we're at Dollar Tree to do a Dollar Tree haul for embroidery blanks that you can get for $1. Join me. We're going to be talking about some Dollar Tree craft items that you can buy to embroider on. So, and the best part, they're only $1. One of the best things that you can embroider on is felt. So these are super cheap that you can use to embroider things onto for your patches and things of that nature. So this is really good to be able to use as a base for your embroidery. There's also these foam sheets that can be used. It comes 32 in a pack, and you can use them to bolster your 3D satin projects. Walking around with me here, there's a bunch of different things that you can take a look at. Excuse me. Here's another example. If you have a 10 needle machine, these mats are excellent. You can actually use them to put like a welcome on or family's name on. And the holidays are coming up, so these table runners will make excellent blanks that you can potentially put a family's name on for Thanksgiving, and they come in multiple colors. Polyester pillowcases also are good. So if you want to make a decorative pillowcase for someone, this is a nice blank to use to then either flip for a profit or keep it as a personal item for yourself. Here I found some t-shirts, adult tees, and they are premium adult tees, so a number of different colors. They are in small sizes, so you may potentially have to look for larger sizes elsewhere. These cute pot holders and Halloween themed kitchen towels are good blanks because you can put like Happy Halloween on it or anything that you'd like to put just for the holiday themed items. This is pretty cool. This towel is pretty cool as well, and you can personalize it for someone that is into decorative skulls. This Dollar Tree is pretty stocked with a whole bunch of different items like flowers and craft supplies. So I haven't really scoped out this particular store to see what items they have, so I am pretty much taking you guys along with me as I look for potential items that we can go ahead and embroider on. Always check your craft aisle because sometimes you have some pretty cool items. Like, for example, shelf, you have these little fuzzy friends, and you can potentially throw a design on the middle of this, float this, and actually put something on it, like for example an A or a child's name. Another cool place to go is this aisle, because this is where you see there are some washcloths and different types of towels that you could potentially embroider someone's name on or monogram it. There are these little baby bibs that you can personalize, burp cloths, fleece blankets, even these scarves. these very large scarves. And another thing is these socks. These socks are really good to practice on, especially if you are embroidering a logo on. So for example, they have these Fruit of the Loom socks that are really good quality. And even these scarves. And here's a really cool bag that you can definitely put a logo on or put a phrase on and sell it. So this is only $1 and it's pretty good quality. It's like a pleather, I think, and it comes in 3 different colors. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple of these so that I can practice some designs on this and maybe turn around and sell it for maybe about $5 or so. These are some earmuffs and some scarves that you could potentially put a name on or get a tag and put a tag on these. You have to make sure that you go down every aisle because sometimes you'll come across some hidden gems. Okay, here's an example of some fuzzy dog toys. Maybe you can find these and embroider on it and put a dog's name on it. And they have different sizes and shapes. Even this little friend buddy, you could make it flat and put a dog's name on it. And now here's my favorite aisle, the kitchen aisle, because there are a bunch of nice towels and things that you can use as blanks, and they come in various colors from light blue to red to black to white. And these interesting knits that you can go ahead and embroider a pattern onto. So if you have a chef in your life or someone that really enjoys cooking, you can personalize these knits for a client, and you can even do like a matching set. So for example, a mitt and a towel, and then a dish mitt. And so you can pattern these together and make a small set. So feel free to go through your local Dollar Tree and see if there's any other items that you may find that you can go ahead and personalize. Again, this is my Dollar Tree embroidery blank search, and as always, stay fierce.